Hey there, Info TV fam. Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of Area 51, where conspiracy theories abound and secrecy shrouds every corner. Buckle up as we explore 10 mind-bending theories surrounding this enigmatic military base. 1. Alien autopsy. One of the most famous theories suggests that Area 51 is home to extraterrestrial beings. Some believe that the government conducted autopsies on alien corpses recovered from UFO crash sites and that these experiments are still ongoing in the hidden depths of the base. 2. Reverse engineering UFOs. Another compelling theory posits that Area 51 is a hub for reverse engineering alien spacecraft. According to this narrative, scientists and engineers are diligently working to unravel the secrets of advanced extraterrestrial technology, potentially giving rise to revolutionary breakthroughs in human innovation. 3. Time travel experiments. Some speculate that the government is conducting top-secret experiments related to time travel within the confines of Area 51. This theory suggests that researchers are exploring the possibility of manipulating time and altering historical events, leading to a plethora of tantalizing questions about the nature of reality. 4. Interdimensional portal. Could Area 51 be home to an interdimensional portal, allowing travel between different dimensions or parallel universes? This theory proposes that the base serves as a gateway to other realms, raising intriguing possibilities about alternate realities and the existence of parallel versions of ourselves. 5. Weather control. There are whispers that Area 51 is involved in weather control experiments, manipulating atmospheric conditions for military advantage or even more sinister purposes. This theory conjures images of futuristic weapons capable of unleashing devastating storms or altering climates on a global scale. 6. Mind control programs. Some conspiracy theorists believe that Area 51 is a hub for clandestine mind control experiments, where unsuspecting subjects are subjected to psychological manipulation and behavioral conditioning. This theory delves into the murky world of government-sponsored mind control programs and their potential ramifications on society. 7. Exotic energy sources. Is Area 51 harnessing exotic energy sources beyond our current understanding? Proponents of this theory suggest that the base is home to groundbreaking research into alternative forms of energy, including zero-point energy, antimatter, or even the fabled free energy that could revolutionize the world's power infrastructure. 8. Genetic engineering. Could Area 51 be dabbling in genetic engineering beyond anything seen before? Some speculate that the base is conducting experiments involving the manipulation of DNA, creating hybrid creatures or genetically enhanced humans with extraordinary abilities. This theory blurs the line between science fiction and reality, raising ethical and moral questions about the limits of scientific exploration. 9. Stargate technology. Inspired by science fiction, this theory proposes that Area 51 is in possession of Stargate-like technology capable of instantaneous travel between distant points in space. Advocates of this idea speculate about secret missions to other planets or contact with extraterrestrial civilizations through these hypothetical wormholes. 10. Clandestine government operations. Ultimately, many conspiracy theories about Area 51 converge on the notion that the base is a hotbed of clandestine government operations spanning a wide range of disciplines. From advanced weaponry and surveillance technology to psychological warfare and beyond, Area 51 remains a symbol of government secrecy and intrigue, fueling endless speculation and curiosity. So there you have it, folks. 10 mind-bending conspiracy theories about Area 51 that continue to captivate imaginations and fuel speculation. What do you think? Are these theories the stuff of science fiction, or could there be kernels of truth hidden within the shadows of this enigmatic facility? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing content here on Info TV.